Getting a small business loan in Canada may seem overwhelming if you don't know what's out there. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 ways to get a small business loan, starting with the easiest. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Shane and I've helped over 70 businesses raise over $10 million in funding. There are 4 basic types of loans in Canada: a business line of credit, a BDC loan, a bank term loan, and the Canadian Small Business Financing Program. The basic eligibility to get approved for any of these sources of funding are a good credit score. So typically you need a 700 credit score or higher, a profitable business. So they'll look at your financial statements and your bank statements to see how much profit you're making and if there's an increase in profit occurring over months. And if you have a lower credit score and you have personal assets such as a house with equity, they may also lend you money if you have a lower credit score. So a line of credit, you can typically get $10,000 to $75,000. This only takes 2 to 4 business days. So this is the quickest form of capital you can get for your company. The easiest way to get this is just book an appointment with a small business advisor at your bank. And sometimes the banks will decline you, but you could go to a different bank and see if they will approve you. And they're typically looking for a decent credit score and some profit. So they'll look at your bank statements to see how much profit you are accumulating every single month to see if you can pay off that line of credit. Next up is my favorite, is a BDC loan. You can get up to $100,000 as a small business loan. Typically, it takes about 30 business days from application to getting approved, sometimes longer, sometimes shorter. The good thing about this loan is it's a 5 to 6 year term. The first year is interest only. That makes the payments a lot smaller, and this just gives you time to ramp up and to make money in your business. And their lending criteria is a little lighter than a normal bank, but the interest rate is also typically higher. And the way to apply for this is to go to bdc.ca and fill out the application online. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but then there'll be some additional due diligence that you need to do to get approved for the loan. The third one is a bank term loan, and the amount you can loan depends on your credit score, your cash flow, and your personal assets. This can typically take up to 30 business days. You'll have to show your financial statements. They'll look at your bank statements, and you may need to show projections. The quickest way to get this done is to book an appointment at your branch with a small business advisor. The last one on the list is called the Canadian Small Business Financing Program. You can borrow up to $1.15 million in funding. This one takes a little longer. It typically takes 30 to 60 business days. You'll have to show financial statements. It really depends on the business you're in and what bank you're dealing with. And the way to apply for this is to book an appointment with your small business advisor and tell them you want to apply for the Canadian Small Business Financing Program. If you're a small business owner in Canada and need help getting $100,000 or more in funding to grow your business, click the link down below and apply to work with me.